equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off your Asus B1502CB and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep them safe for reassembly. Carefully use the spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, gently disconnect the battery. This is crucial for safety. Now, inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Use the microfiber cloth to clean the area. Next, locate the LCD cover. Remove any screws holding it in place. Carefully detach the old cover, ensuring no cables are caught. Align the new LCD cover and secure it with screws. Reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Ensure all clips are firmly in place. Finally, power on your device to check the new cover. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure transparency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.